good afternoon. This will be my first vlog ever. By the way, my name is Wawi Manabil. And then, yes, we are now here at... We are at Lampanag Beach in Pasugong, Bukidnon. And here are my colleagues. Hey guys! You say hi! Boring kay Kakoy. Careful dear. So we will show you the way to the road to Miss Universe. This is how we train pageantry. We are models here guys, mountain models. And yeah, as you can see, we're surrounded with beautiful mountains and beautiful people here. Hi boss. Hi Koy.
Hi!
Okay. So yes, posting ni siya ha. I hope ma-edit din mo ni Glenn. Putol-putol guys. Bisira ba kay ka? Hi guys, you say hi.
Hi!
Oh, you say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Hi vlogger. Yeah, this will be my first vlog ever. Please follow me, like, share, subscribe, and delete. My first ever vlog. Okay. Wow, it's so airy in here. It's so airy. Yen. It's so airy in here. Yes, hi. Oh my God, if you're only here, you will feel the airness. The airness is very collaborative. What?